Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my Young Living Essential Rewards unboxing for the month of December.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
If you like a really huge haul, check out November's video for me. I got a lot of stuff. I scaled back a little bit for this haul, but I'm really excited. So first I got Ningxia Red. There are different options of how to buy these. I usually buy the 2-bottle option. Ningxia Red is amazing. It is a highly antioxidant drink. It has wolfberry, which is like the goji berry, cherries, blueberry, just a ton of really great nutrients. And you just take either an ounce or 2 ounces a day, and I am loving it lately to mix it in lemon sparkling water, so it's like a little mocktail. And I've always loved this stuff. I have to say, it's one of my pregnancy cravings now. I've been having this pretty much every night for dinner. Lemon sparkling water, a shot of Ningxia. It is so good. And I'm thinking I'm gonna pack some of this for labor, maybe in a little mason jar. With my first, my midwife kept trying to get me to drink emergency, just because kind of like this, it's a boost of vitamins and good nutrients, and I do not like that emergency stuff. I actually threw it up right away. So I think that this would be a good alternate. It's a lot healthier and I actually like it. All right, I don't remember what this is, but it is makeup because it is in their Savvy Minerals box. They have a whole makeup line that is all natural. Oh, I am so excited. This is a poppy seed lip scrub. I'm moderately optimistic. I have such dry, chapped lips all the time. They are even worse right now because it's winter, and I feel like it's worse being pregnant. So this is just a nice lip balm, but it has poppy seeds in it to exfoliate and get rid of the dead skin, which I really need. Ooh. I'm so excited to try this and see if it is my saving grace. Feels good. And oils, lemon. Okay, you guys, this is literally the first time I've purchased lemon on my own, even though it's one of my favorites, because the starter kit comes with lemon, and I've gotten a couple bottles for free, either for Essential Rewards or I'm not sure why, but I'm finally out of all my little free bottles. So I bought a 15 milliliter of lemon. It's just so versatile. I use it a lot with cleaning. I'll put some in my all-purpose cleaner, and it's just great to diffuse. It smells so fresh. I feel like it just helps to energize you as well. When I post this, Christmas will most likely be over, and I feel like post-Christmas you kind of get into the spring cleaning mode, even though it's not quite spring yet. And I just feel like lemon is such a bright oil to diffuse and to get you in the cleaning mood. And I got lemongrass as a freebie this month. I have never smelled lemongrass essential oil before. Ooh. You know what are they called? Lemon heads? I think they're called lemon heads, that candy that I used to get at the movie theater growing up. That's what this smells like. So I don't know much about lemongrass yet, but I have heard people claim that it has helped them with nausea, which I'm still experiencing at 30 weeks, so I'm excited about that, and anxiety. So I am gonna play around and probably diffuse this first, and can't wait to see how it makes me feel. So that is everything short and sweet this month. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye guys.
Ooh.